No charger. Of course not. So I had to buy a separate charger, which is shockingly crap. Also, it came with this figure. It came with a freaking figure. I didn't expect this figure to come. It just sort of come in the box. I was like, okay. So it's in that package in there. That's all it came in, which is a bit weird. But let's open it up. So also, this little beautiful figure came with the box as well. Wasn't actually expecting it, which is a bit confusing. I had no packaging really. It was literally just a figure by itself. I don't know what a character is, but it looks like a sort of scarecrow, sort of clowny figure, I guess, with the mask on, of course. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. It's also got the sort of Zelda